Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, special conditions which are involved in staging. In the staging, if there is positive lymph nodes in the opposite axilla, positive lymph nodes in the opposite axilla tells that there is a metastasis. Then, if there are two masses are present in the same breast, then here, if two masses are present on the same breast, then staging is done according to the bigger mass. Then if masses are present in both the breasts, then you should do a separate staging for both the breasts.
thank you and thank you for watching.